To access your Freckle Math assignment, simply go to the student homepage, click on Clever Login, click on Login with Google, type in your student username, type in your password, click Next, click on Freckle, you'll be prompted to choose an avatar to start. Click Confirm. I have earned 25 coins after I do my first practice. Click Thanks. I'm going to click on Get Started because I have assignments to do. Right here is my assignment that I have to do. It lives in my backpack down here. Whenever I see the number 1 down here on my backpack, I know there's an assignment that I need to do. Usually when I log into Clever, I might see this home screen. This is letting me know that I need to do some assignments. If I've already finished my assignment, it'll move over to the Done column. But because I'm on To Do, I have this assignment that I need to do, and I know when it was given to me. If I click on Math down here on the bottom, I have the ability to explore other areas in Freckle. I have adaptive math. I can click on that audio
Adaptive math.
and it will read it to me. I can click on fact practice. Fact practice is something I like doing every day. If I click on this, you can see it'll bring up these math problems. I got it. So I'm going to do 5 divided by 1. Go through, answer each one. When I'm done, it'll give me which ones I got right, which ones I got wrong, and I'll earn some coins for finishing it. I'm going to exit out of that. My progress won't be saved because I'm not going to do it right now. The other option is adaptive math. You click on that, and I'll be able to access anything in math that I'd like to. And this is sort of like a computer teacher for you. It'll ask you some questions, it'll go through, show you some videos, and see how well you're doing. So if your old teacher taught you a little bit about fractions, but you don't remember it very well, you can click on this fractions option here. It'll give you a little bit of a pre-test to know what you know and what you don't know. And then once you've gone through the pre-test, it'll start giving you lessons and problems so you can show how much you've learned and practice on your own without having to have the teacher assign it to you. I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to go back to my student homepage, click assignments. So when I get an assignment in Freckle, it'll show up like this. I'm going to click on start. So my question is right here. If I click on this button,
The distance
it
from
will
0 to the first segment is 1 out of the 4 regions. What fraction does this segment represent?
So that will read my problem for me out loud. These underline options, if I mouse over them, I can click on them and it will tell me a fraction. If I can't quite read that on my own, I can click on that.
Fraction. Number showing part of a whole, like 1/2.
It'll give me that idea. It'll even give me a hint if I need a little bit of a hint, and it will read the hint to me. If I want to watch a video of someone explaining this skill, there's a quick little 1-minute video of someone who will explain it to me by clicking on the video icon. Clicking on the pencil icon will allow me to draw on my screen. Clicking on the shapes icon will allow me to take a shape and put it on my screen. Clicking on the arrow icon will let me click on an item and move it around. Clicking on the erase icon will allow me to erase anything I put on. Once I choose my answer, I click submit and it will tell me that I got it correct. If I don't choose the correct fraction, it'll give me a hint and I can go back to the question. If I choose it wrong a second time, it'll say that's not correct and it will prompt me to do a video. So if I finally know that both C and D are thirds, I'll have my answer there. As I can see, my progress bar is here on top. I'm a 2 out of 5. That means I have 3 more questions to go. This asks me how many equal parts are there. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Click submit answer. I got it correct. Question 3. Which point represents 1/9? Well, B is 1 whole. A is really close to the 0, so I bet we could fit 9 in there, so I'm going to choose A. Hey, I got it right. The distance from 0 to the first segment is 1 out of the 3 regions. What fraction does this segment represent? 0 to that? Well, there's 1 region, 2 regions, 3 regions, so it's 1/3. And so it'll tell me that my accuracy was 80%. Even though I got that one question right, but I got 2 wrong answers to begin with, it doesn't count as me being accurate. So I click next. I've earned my rewards, earned my 25 coins, say thanks. And this is what the normal goal will be. You'll have a dashboard. You'll be able to set a goal for your week. You'll have a math report that's showing what you've done. You'll also have your other students who are in your class. You'll be able to see how many coins they've earned. And then Piggy Store, once you've played enough, you'll be able to spend these coins to dress your avatar in cool activities. So this is what your homepage normally looks like.